Opening up some pumpkin here. So, happy Halloween from the Okie Smokin. My name's John, and we're going to make a Halloween dip. So, all that involves is 15 ounces of pure pumpkin. We've got a half a teaspoon we're going to add of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and we're doing this keto style for Dolores, who is low carb, and we're going to be using this. This says use half the amount of brown as you would with brown sugar, so we're going to be adding 1/4 a cup of this. If you're using regular brown sugar, double it. Just add 1/2 cup. So we're just going to take the pumpkin and put in here.
No, that's 100% pure pumpkin, not the pie filling.
Hey, all right, so now we're going to add this 1/4 Splenda brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and about a half. Did I say tablespoon?
You said teaspoon.
Oh, yeah. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmegs in there.
Get out of there.
And we're going to add the 8 ounces of cream cheese.
That smells really good.
Go ahead and knock the rest of this off. Then we're just going to go ahead and remove that and put it right in this pan. Oh, I like the smell of it.
It smells really good.
Yeah.
I know. It smells pumpkiny, but like a cinnamon sweet.
Oh, check this out. I've got some pork chop bites. I need to stir those in a bit. That video will be out soon with those. We're going to put the pumpkin dip right above them. Cook that for a while. Half hour, smoke them. And then we'll see how it tastes.
Okay, so.
All right, there we go. The pumpkin dip for Halloween with graham crackers. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Take one.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'd be the one to mess this up. All right.
And I'm going to take one.
Okay.
And we're going to give it a try. Cheers.
Cheers. That has a smoky taste. So.
Actually, graham cracker.
I like that.
It's actually really good.
All right, let's see what we're cooking on.
Yeah.
So he knows how to take a dip.
What's that taste like? Tell us what it tastes like.
It has a smoky taste.
A little smoke to it.
Mm-hmm.
Like Mom said, like a pumpkin pie.
Yeah.
Pumpkin pie, graham crackers. Try this out. Simple.
Perfect
Halloween
for your spooky mix.
People at the Halloween party will love you. Good stuff right there. Also, check out the podcast, the Okie Smokin Podcast, where I've got some real life horror stories that's happened for Halloween. I'll have a link to that below in the description. Check out one of these other videos. I know you want to. We'll see you in the next one.